everyone, this is Surbhi from Pick a Book India. So, as I told you in the last video, that we are creating a series called Pick a Book Recommends, in which we will show you some selected books which are really nice and which stands apart from the whole lot, and to which age group you can read that book and what is the quality of book. So everything in detail would be mentioned in this videos. We will show you few options because there's so much kind of books that you can't show every book on a video. So we have selected, handpicked every book we are showing in the video. So my today's topic for the video is treasury books. Okay, I have the love for treasury books. I always recommend the treasury books, even on my Instagram, on my Facebook. You can see I will always recommend it, the treasury books. And the reason why it is because there are multiple stories in one book. They are very price effective. Like treasury books ki prices are very reasonable. The second thing is, if it's a series, there is relatable stories. If for example there is a Thomas series treasury book, so all the story would be related to the Thomas series, so the child connect to that stories. If it's a bedtime story book, bedtime treasury book, then all the stories would be related to the bedtime. So it's really nice. I have picked 4 books today of different age group for the treasury book. Let's start with the first one. Now, the first book is this 365. I think it's coming inverted. Sorry, I'm not the blogger or something. So this is 365 story for girls. It's a big storybook, as you can see. It has stories and rhymes for girls, specially curated for girls. So obviously there is 365 stories and rhymes for girls, and this would be the age group for this book would be, I would say, around 3+ and 4+ kids. And the kids love when you sing to them. If you sing to rhyme, any age group it is there, they love it. So I think this book goes for the mothers, 3+ children. You can take this. Now my second treasury book would be this, A Very Special Wish. This is the publication of Little Tiger Press. I think most of you who are into books and who love to read books to their children, they know Little Tiger Press is a very renowned publication. इसकी books काफ़ी महंगी होती हैं. If you buy first hand, it is very expensive. And this is a treasury for all the Little Tiger Press collection. It has, I think it has 4 stories over here. And if you see the pictures, it's very nice. Like, I don't know how to show it, like this. So if you see, the pictures are really nice. The quality of book, see over here, the pages, the quality of book, the printing, it's really nice. This book is available with us for 360 rupees. The original MRP of this book would be around 699. Also, this book is also for 360. So it's worth it, right? It's 365 stories and you're getting it for 360 rupees. I mean, 1 story per day. It's quite reasonable, right? Think about it. Now, next is this Classic Stories by Paragon publication. Paragon publication again is a very renowned publication. It has all the classic stories. 8 stories like Oliver Twist. Then there is Edie, Wizard of Oz, Secret Garden, Alice in Wonderland. Also, the printing is amazing. The book quality is amazing. It's really nice. This is again for 360. You can see it's a large book. It's a large book. Okay, and the condition again is very good. My last book from today's pick is the Stories from the Ballet. The people who like to read the dancing kind of stories, ballet stories, or the Nutcracker, like that. So again, it's like a new book. Okay, it has Swan Lake, Giselle, Cinderella, then it has Petruchka, Sleeping Beauty, Romeo and Juliet. So basically this is for the age group for around 6+. Okay, if you'll see the content over here, it is for the 6+ kids. Again, this is an Octopus publication. It's also a very good publication. They This book is around probably published 10 years back, and it's been a hit since then for the ballet. Okay. And as I said, it's for 6+ kids. They can read also, and they can order also. This is also available with us, and it is for 200 rupees. And the condition of every book is good. Obviously this came in a pre-use section, but I assure you that the condition is like new. Okay, if you want to order anything, you can directly comment over here. You can message us on our handle, Instagram or Facebook handle. I'll drop the link below. You can contact me directly. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video. If we are creating this series day by day, if you want some particular age group, you can drop down a message and we will shoot on that. We will pick some options for you and we will shoot a video for you. Thank you so much.